pretty tricky problem here from 2014, and again this is one of those questions that I think from memory about 8% of the state got the full 2 marks in this one. There's a lot to this question. Alright, so let's get stuck into it. Cricket club borrowed this amount to build their clubhouse. There's the interest compounding monthly. There's the payments. And after a number of monthly payments, the balance of the loan will be reduced to this amount here. What percentage of the next monthly payment will reduce the balance of the loan? Okay, well, let's start this one up. So the majority of these later questions will be done with Financial Solver, so you might as well just get that open and start filling in what information you know and see what's left over. So we can see straight away that N is the number of payments, and it's clear that after a number of monthly payments the balance of the loan will be this. So my idea for attacking this question would be to say, let's find out how many payments are made. Let's find out the future value of the loan after one more payment, after we find out the number of payments, and then we'll go from there. Alright, so N is going to be our unknown. Interest rate is 4.5%. Present value, the bank gives us $400,000. That's positive. The payments, we give the bank that money, so that's $2,500 negative. And then after a number of monthly repayments, the balance of the loan will be reduced to that amount. That would mean that we still need to give the bank $143,585.33. And compounding payment periods are 12 and 12. Okay, so let's go up to N and find out the number of payments. Okay, so N, the number of payments in this case, is 180. So 180 payments is going to get the loan to this figure here. Alright, so now what we want to do is find out what the future value is of the loan after 181 payments. Okay, so let's type in 181 over here and find out what the future value is there. Alright, so the future value of the loan after 181 is $141,623.78. Okay? Alright, now what we need to do then, what percentage of the next monthly repayment will reduce the balance of the loan? Okay, so we know we're paying $2,500. Okay, and what the amount we can find out that it reduces by is basically use this value here and this value here. And what I'm going to do is actually go and do $143,585.33, which was after the 180th payment, and remove from that $141,623.78. Okay, so that's the future value, and basically what this will tell us is the amount or how much of the 2,500 went to paying down the loan. Of course, the rest of it will be to pay interest. Okay, so let's go back into our calculator and into the main screen. We're going to go 143,585.33, take away 141,623.78, and divide that by 2,500. Multiply that by 100 to convert it to a percentage. It says write your answer correct to the nearest percentage. Okay, so it's 78.4, but what we're going to say is that is approximately, so let's use a squiggly, 78% of the payment reduces the loan. So there it is there, a lot of working out to really get to that final answer there.